Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the March 30th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. First thing I want to show you is the tornado tracks and intensities from our Sunday evening tornadic outbreak, and these are the locations and the intensities concluded by the National Weather Service after their storm surveys yesterday. You had an EF1 tornado in Belmont, in extreme eastern Gaston County. And then you had an EF1 tornado not far from Spencer in northeastern Rowan County. And that's the general areas. This crossed over into Davidson County where you had that great video that I posted on the blog yesterday. Those folks caught there right along Interstate 85 with this tornado on the ground. EF2 tornado there, southwestern parts of Davidson County. And then you had another EF1 tornado in northeastern Davidson County. By the way, most of these tornadoes caused by the same parent thunderstorm. And then the strongest tornado was the EF3 in southwestern Guilford County, close to High Point. And finally, an EF1 tornado in southeastern Person County. Some of the stories coming out related to these tornadoes, just incredible. We can be so thankful. There were no fatalities and not even any really overly serious injuries. Some broken bones, but no life-threatening injuries. Boy, what a blessing when you're dealing with an EF2 and an EF3 tornado and moving through populated areas. It's not like this was in the middle of an open field. We were talking about these tornadoes moving through some fairly heavily populated areas and to not have any serious injuries or fatalities. And that's just a true blessing. And again, some of the stories coming out incredible. We've documented on News 14 the family that was in their bedroom closet, and actually that room was torn off the house. They were thrown out into their front lawn, and that was a family of 5 with 3 smaller children, and no fatalities. That's, again, what a blessing that is. But things getting quiet now. Let's take a look at how it looks across the lower 48. What's left of our severe weather-producing system causing rain up in the New England states. But just look how quiet it is across much of the lower 48. Throw on the satellite imagery here. Hard to find a decent cloud in the sky from Chicago and Indianapolis down to Little Rock, Dallas, and Albuquerque. And we're getting into some of that quiet weather now. Still a little bit of residual cool air to contend with. We're in the 40s in many spots this morning. But the milder air is coming. Today, a lot of upper 60s for highs, maybe near 70 in some spots. It will be pretty breezy. Winds out of the northwest gusting over 25 miles an hour at times. But notice, by tomorrow, Wednesday, that high pressure down in the Gulf just pumping in this southwesterly flow. That's going to be bringing in the milder air, so 70s all across the Piedmont for highs tomorrow. 80s for highs everywhere on Thursday and the Piedmont. And it's going to be a great stretch of weather. A lot of sunshine, not a cloud in the sky really for Wednesday, Thursday, and Good Friday. In fact, on Good Friday here, we could see some upper 80s in some locations for highs. And then as we get into the Easter weekend, next cold front approaches moving through the Mississippi Valley Saturday. Some showers and storms back that way. We'll stay dry with highs still in the 80s on Saturday with a partly cloudy sky. And then that front really falls apart as it moves in here on Easter Sunday. So I have again left out any rain chances for Sunday. Can't completely rule out a shower, but again, the chance looks relatively small, so I've left Easter Sunday dry. High Sunday in the 70s, Monday in the 70s as well. Now, taken verbatim, the next rain chance from the GFS not until late Wednesday of next week, the 7th of April. So sort of extended warm and quiet period ahead. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.